how to log out of Snapchat on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can log out of Snapchat on all our devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to log out of Snapchat of all devices, first launch the Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your own primary account. Once you're logged into your primary account, tap on the Bitmoji avatar located at the top left corner of the screen. Then once you do so, tap on the gear icon which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Now once you have done that, first of all look for this particular option that says Session Management, then tap on it. When you come here, you will see a list of all the browsers or devices or applications where your Snapchat account is currently logged in. So, if you do not recognize a certain device or a session from here, select that session and just hit the X icon right next to it. So you can see when you select the X icon, you'll be able to log out of it. You can also come back, scroll all the way to the very bottom and go to Saved Login Info to remove any login information that you've saved on these devices. And this way you can go ahead and then log out of Snapchat on all devices. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.